Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have a screen protector for your Nintendo Switch 2. I decided to pick this up when it came out a few days ago, and I was like, man, I want to protect my beautiful screen on this device. I actually watched Jerry's video and notice that it does scratch pretty easily because Nintendo put a plastic screen protector on there and they tell you not to remove it or you can void the warranty. So I'm gonna put a glass screen protector on top of it, which it shouldn't have problems. He actually used one on his video too, but I love Spigen. I've been rocking with their GlasTR Easy Fit for many different devices. So I decided why not pick it up for the Switch 2. If you want to pick it up, I will have the links in the description. You can definitely do so. Maybe I should do an unboxing or a review of the Switch 2, but I don't really game and my channel is more like for phones, but hey, here it is. It's pretty cool though. Not gonna lie, but you want to protect your beautiful panel there. So that's what this thing comes in. The box is humongous. But let's go ahead and get into it. Let's see what you get in the box. But I love how the little Joy-Cons just come off and then snap back in there. Maybe I should do a review or unboxing. I don't know. But here's the box itself. It doesn't even fit in my screen. So you get two of them. I think that's why the box is so big. Pause. So you get two screen protectors. You get probably two things of screen wipes and stuff. So you put one on the side in case you break it. And they make it easy to install too, so it's easy to install. You just put this on top. So first thing you want to do is take off your Joy-Cons. Then open up your little book here. So yeah, you get two things of wipes, two things of dust removals, two microfiber cloths. Like again, I don't know how many we have of these things here, these little cloths. So take the dust remover, take the screen wipes. It even tells you how to install it, but you don't need the video. And then you also get a squeegee. So put all that stuff on the side. I mean, it's just like putting on a screen protector, right? Like a phone screen protector. So you already know what you want to do. Again, if you can do this when you're not gonna play it or use it, I would highly recommend doing that. That way you can just have a day of settling in. The touch response should be good on here. But what you want to do is wipe it off. Get all your oils off of it. You know. Then you can take your microfiber cloth. The main thing is the dust remover. Make sure you get all the dust off. Again, if you do it in a room where it's not dusty, great. It should be easy to install. That's why I use this one a lot, because they're usually easy to install. That's why they call it Easy Fit. So what you want to do is take off where it says back here. You kind of do it, again, I recommend once you find the tab, you kind of just do it upside down. It even has it marked too, like top and bottom. If I can hang on to this thing. Trying to focus on the camera and this is not the easiest. But you want to hold it down so that way you don't get dust on it. And then you just kind of want to just put it on there. And it tells you press and wait 30 seconds. And you can see it spreading out. But I like sliding it. I'm that anal about it. And then you can remove this. Again, trying to keep this on camera. I see some bubbles. Once you remove it, you take that off, and then bam! Ooh, that is perfect. Oh, that is so sweet. Let's turn it on. Put the little Joy-Cons back in there. So, touchscreen, still easy to press. No problem there. And then look, I mean, it fits really great too. Had the brightness on this thing so bright too. So, yeah, I mean, look at it. It fits perfect on there. So if you want to pick this up, again, I will have the links in the description. It is the Spigen Easy Fit TR Glass Screen Protector 4. The Switch 2, I mean, you can tell. And then, like I said, the touchscreen works perfect. So, no issues there. I mean, you can go into the settings. Man, I should turn this into like dark mode or something. So you can adjust the screen. You can do everything on here. But, I mean, it's so bright though. It's blowing it out. I wanted to have... No, there you go. Bam. So... I mean, perfect screen protector. Again, if you want to pick this up, I will have the links in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on maybe the Switch 2. Also, new videos coming out for different devices. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Fords Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day. Go pick up the Switch 2 if you don't have it. Peace. I'm out.